Hello everyone, let's start today's lecture on principles of inheritance and variation, Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. So Mendelian disorder would contain color blindness, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria and thalassemia, while the chromosomal disorders would have basically two types, Aneuploidy and Polyploidy. And there are also some additional Mendelian disorders, and those were Myotonic dystrophy, which is an autosomal dominant trait. It is derived from the figure data and it's not actually given in NCERT line. The second additional data would be cystic fibrosis. Its name is given in the lines and only its name is mentioned in NCERT and no details are given in any chapters about this disorder. Let's move on to chromosomal disorder overview first. So aneuploidy and polyploidy would be two types of chromosomal disorder. Polyploidy would occur due to the failure in cytokinesis. It is common in plants like in wheat. It could go up to 6N. While aneuploidy would be due to the extra number of or less number of chromosome compared to standard 46 chromosome, like in Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. We will be discussing all these in details in this part. So let's start today's part. So let's start with Mendelian disorders first. So Mendelian disorders could be of two types. One is autosomal disorders and the second is sex-linked disorders. Sex-linked disorder could be either be linked with X chromosome or Y chromosome. So X-linked and Y-linked are two types, while autosomal disorders may be dominant or recessive. Dominant example like myotonic dystrophy is a dominant autosomal disorder, and autosomal recessive disorder example is sickle cell anemia. While X-linked sex-linked disorder would dominant have no examples, but recessive have two examples in our syllabus, color blindness and hemophilia. While Y-linked have no examples, but since they are linked to Y chromosome and Y chromosome can only be present in male and males have only one Y chromosome, so if Y-linked disorder is present in someone, it would always be dominant and it would be present in every generation. So pedigree type questions could be done through this data. So let's move on to the details of color blindness. That would be the first topic. Then we will be discussing hemophilia, sickle cell anemia and thalassemia.